For the successful transition to climate-neutral transportation, it is not only crucial to have a high number of electric vehicles, but also a sufficient number of charging points. However, the required rapid expansion of the charging infrastructure often faces obstacles due to high costs of installation. Currently, the costs of a wall-mounted charger for indoor use range from approximately €600 to €1,500. However, this excludes the installation costs, which range from €1,045 to €5,200. Installation costs can be significantly reduced if the charging point is located directly next to an automated door. In this case, the GFA TS971 control panel can be used in conjunction with the Go eCharger. By utilizing the TS971's charging management function, this negates the need for an additional power source, as the wall-mounted charger is powered directly through the control panel. The integrated charging management ensures that the maximum permissible combined power consumption of both the door and charger is never exceeded. When the door is in motion, the available power supply for the electric vehicle charger is automatically reduced and subsequently restored to the normal level once stationary. The new solution consists of the GFA TS971 control panel with updated software, Go eCharger, home fix wall-mounted charger with adapter cable, and a commando plug with additional connector for the charger. The installation of this solution is extremely straightforward. The charger is simply mounted on the wall next to the control panel. The wiring is effortlessly done through the custom plug-and-play cable set. These tasks can be easily carried out without the requirement of a qualified electrician. Following installation of the control panel and charger, the system can be put into operation. The use of the new GFA solution is suitable for a variety of industrial and residential locations, including both the service and production sectors within the automotive industry.